Upgrading your home's windows is a fantastic way to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase comfort. If you're a homeowner in Loves Park, Illinois, preparing for window installation can seem daunting if you've never gone through the process before. Understanding what to expect during window installation will help you feel confident and prepared, ensuring a smooth and successful project. Here's a customer-focused guide outlining the key steps and what you can anticipate when installing new windows in your Loves Park home. Initial consultation and window selection. The window installation process begins with an initial consultation, where a professional installer visits your home to assess your current windows and discuss your goals. During this visit, you'll explore various window styles, materials, and energy-efficient features that best suit your home's design and your budget. Common window types for Loves Park homes include double-hung, casement, sliding, bay, and picture windows. You'll also learn about materials like vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and composite, each offering different benefits for durability, maintenance, and insulation. The installer will help you choose windows that comply with local building codes and energy standards, such as Energy Star ratings, ensuring you get the best value and performance. Accurate measurements and ordering. Once you've selected your windows, the installer will take precise measurements of each window opening. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure the new windows fit perfectly without gaps or leaks. After measuring, your custom windows will be ordered from the manufacturer. Depending on the style and materials, lead times can vary, so your installer will give you an estimated delivery date. Preparation for installation day. Before installation day, your installer will coordinate with you to schedule a convenient time. It's a good idea to clear the areas around your windows, both inside and outside, to provide easy access for the installation crew. On the day of installation, expect some noise and activity as the old windows are removed and new ones put in place. Professional installers work efficiently but carefully to minimize disruption and protect your home's interior. Removal of old windows. The installation team will begin by carefully removing the existing windows. This includes detaching the window sashes, frames, and any exterior trim or siding that may be in the way. Removing old windows can reveal any hidden damage to the window frame or surrounding structure, such as rot, mold, or water damage. If this happens, your installer will inform you and recommend repairs to ensure the new windows perform properly and last a long time. Inspection and repairs. Before installing the new windows, the installer will inspect the window openings for any structural issues or insulation needs. If necessary, they will make minor repairs, such as replacing rotted wood or adding insulation, to create a secure, weather-tight seal. These repairs are essential to prevent drafts, water intrusion, and energy loss, ensuring your new windows function efficiently and protect your home. Installation of new windows. The new windows will be carefully positioned into the prepared openings. Installers will check for proper fit, level, and plumb to ensure smooth operation and airtight sealing. They will use specialized fasteners and shims to secure the windows firmly in place, preventing movement and potential leaks. High-quality caulking and flashing materials are applied around the window perimeter to seal gaps and protect against water infiltration. For added insulation, installers may add foam or weather stripping around the frame. Proper sealing is vital in Loves Park's climate, where temperature changes and humidity can affect energy efficiency. Interior and exterior finishing. Once the windows are securely installed, the crew will replace or repair any trim, siding, or interior molding that was removed during the process. They will also clean up the work area, removing old materials, debris, and packaging. Some installers provide a touch-up service for paint or stain on trim and walls affected by the installation. This finishing step helps your windows look polished and integrated into your home's overall design. Final inspection and customer walkthrough. After installation, your contractor will conduct a final inspection to verify that all windows open, close, and lock properly. They will check for drafts, water leaks, and smooth operation. You'll also be invited to walk through the project with the installer to ask questions, learn how to operate and care for your new windows, and address any concerns. Enjoying the benefits of new windows. With the installation complete, you'll immediately notice the benefits of your new windows: improved energy efficiency, reduced drafts and noise, enhanced security, and a refreshed look that boosts your home's curb appeal. Properly installed windows contribute to year-round comfort and can help lower your heating and cooling bills, making this investment worthwhile for any Loves Park homeowner. Conclusion. Window installation in Loves Park is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. From consultation and selection to precise measurement, careful removal of old windows, and expert installation of new ones, each step is designed to ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Understanding what to expect will make your window replacement experience smooth and stress-free. When you work with reputable local installers, you can trust that your new windows will enhance your home's beauty, comfort, and value for years to come.